Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe dashboard for payouts and payouts, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Stripe website at stripe.com. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Stripe account. Click on continue to proceed to the next step. You will receive an email to verify your identity. Open your email inbox and find the email from Stripe. Click on the link provided in the email to log in securely. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Stripe dashboard. To manage payouts, locate the Payouts section in the left-hand menu. Click on Payouts to view your current and past payouts. To verify your identity for payouts, go to the Settings option in the bottom left corner. Under Business Settings, click on Team. You will find an option to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication if you haven't done so yet. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, return to the Settings page. Scroll down to find the Payouts section. Here, you can update your banking information if necessary. Click on Add Bank Account to input your banking details for payouts. Fill in the required fields with your bank account information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid payout delays. After entering your bank information, click Save to confirm. You should now see a confirmation message indicating your bank account has been added. To initiate a payout, return to the Payouts section. Click on the Plus New Payout button. Select the amount you want to withdraw and choose the bank account you've just added. Confirm the details and click Submit to request your payout. You will receive a notification once your payout is processed. Regularly check the Payouts section to track the status of your requested payouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.